In this video, we will take a look at using the AVerTouch software and the widget mode found within the software. I'll talk to you about the reasons why you may want to use it and when you may want to use it. So let's get started. Okay, so right here I'm going to use the A30 camera. We'll go ahead and launch that. So now I've got the A30 camera going. So the widget mode is found on the right hand side on the horizontal toolbar. Notice right here. So you click on that, reduces the size of the screen that you're looking at or that the video image is coming from. So this is best if you want to perhaps minimize the AVerTouch software screen so you can work on your desktop, but you'll always have the AVerTouch running in the background. In fact, if you want to minimize it more, go ahead and click on this up arrow here, and now you just have a toolbar, and we could go ahead and drag this up to the top. So now it is pretty much completely out of the way. If you want to open this up and use it again, if you are recording a lesson plan and perhaps you are wanting to record something off of the internet or YouTube or something like that, this is how you'll use this. Now we could go ahead and click on the arrow again, and this opens this back up. Some of the other features here is you notice that we have a row of icons, and one is going to be the camera control. So I clicked open that, and then you see that it just zooms in on the camera or the active camera, and we can go ahead and just bring it right back out. Freeze frame. All right, so I've done a freeze frame and I unfreeze, and it's right here. Of course, this is just going to rotate the image around. So let's go ahead and clear out of that. The next is to screen capture. This first button will capture the entire screen. So this is going to be your desktop screen. The next one is going to just capture the image under the live camera. And then this one, click on this, it'll be a record button for recording video. Now you have the same options. You can record either the camera or you can record the desktop. So when it says camera, it's just recording inside of this live camera image right there. So let's go ahead and stop that. Now, if you want to open this back up and get back into the software, you may think that you're going to click on this box to make it larger, which it does make it larger. However, you are not in the AVerTouch software, so to speak. It just expanded the screen. So let me go ahead and reduce this again. The way that you're going to get back into the AVerTouch software is go ahead and go to the X and exit out. Now you can see that you're back in the AVerTouch screen. So hopefully this was clear as far as the widget mode, and hopefully this will give you some thoughts and ideas about how to use the widget mode. Again, with the widget mode, probably the best thing to do is to use it if you always want to have it running in the background, but you want to quickly go between using the AVerTouch software and your desktop. That's it. So thanks for watching. My name's Chuck Tuck, and until next time, please follow us on all social media platforms. So long.